Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the R16 visible to your system. Install the official Zoom driver on your computer and restart if asked. Once done, connect the R16 with a quality USB cable and power it on. Some units need external power. Then, on the R16's utility menu, set the sample rate and bit depth to match your session, commonly 44, 1 or 48 kHz, and 24-bit, so recordings won't need resampling later when you open your DAW. Next, tell your DAW to use the R16 as the audio device and pick the matching sample rate. Then enable the physical inputs you plan to record and route them to individual tracks so each mic or instrument has its own channel. Make sure to set the buffer size to a usable value, lower for live monitoring, higher for mixing, typically 128 to 256 samples. Also choose single or multi-channel recording, depending on whether you want separate stems or a stereo mix. Before you hit record, choose monitoring. Use the R16's direct monitor for zero latency or enable track monitoring in the DAW for process sound. Set input gain so peaks sit below clipping. Aim for healthy headroom. Record a short test take and listen for level balance, phase issues, and headphone mixes. If audio doesn't appear, make sure the driver is installed, the R16 sample rate matches the DAW, cables are good, and the unit has power. That single check fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.